Okay, so I just finished lunch. I'm headed over to Korakuen. Wow, that lunch cafe was so good. Let me tell you, the food was great, the service was great. Highly recommend if you ever are in Okayama. Here we are. This is Korakuen. Actually looks really good. I don't have a ton of time, so let's start booking it around here. This is the Crane Aviary. So, this is a cool pond. You can kind of see the castle back there too. I think I could totally fill up all the space on my memory card just by Staying in this park is actually insane how beautiful this park is. It's so nice. I don't even know what this is. It's bricks, but what? Amazing. Alright, well, let's get on to the castle. Record in here because it's like artifacts and stuff, but it's really cool. Alright, so I've officially run out of space on my GoPro. I took so much footage today, especially in Korakuen, but yeah, I just got out of the castle. I was seriously impressed by Okayama. It's a really beautiful place, so highly recommend, especially these last two places I visited. And yeah, I need to start getting back to Kobe. It's really windy and it's starting to get pretty cold. I'm still wearing a t-shirt.